In this video, I am going to show you how you can easily unblock someone on Instagram. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the video. So for the first step is that you're gonna head over to Instagram. Once you're on Instagram, click on these three lines right over here and click on the settings option, and then click on the privacy option right over here. Once you do that, click on the blocked accounts option, and it's going to show you the list of people you have blocked on Instagram. So you can easily select the person you want to unblock. In this case, I only have one blocked contact, so I'm just going to click on the unblock option right over here, and it's going to ask me if I want to unblock that person. I'm going to click on the unblock option, and as you can see, I have successfully unblocked this person. So that's how you can easily unblock someone on Instagram. So without wasting much time, thank you for watching this video. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.